Welcome back to another episode of this series of Buckhorn Road. We basically started over here in the Lake Pleasant area, and like I said, we're on Buckhorn Road. Well, today what we are going to do is we are going to explore this Camp B mine. So we take a little spur off of Buckhorn Road. I'm not sure which road this is. I do say it in the video today. But we take a little spur off Buckhorn Road and we go to the Camp B mine. So we're going to check that out today. And then look forward to the next episode, because in the next episode I go up Constellation Road a little bit and explore a lot of mines around this area. Thanks for watching.
We're back in the wash. So we did see a building back there, but it makes me wonder, like, is that the road to get into the building, and then now they're just going to stop maintaining this? 'Cause that happens to me a lot. No, this still looks graded. Taken care of. Oh yeah. Definitely graded where the water would have washed across here. Look at that washed out road. Goes up the mountain. See it? That would be a gnarly one. Just goes straight up the mountain. Oh, time to stand up. My bum is getting sore. Twisty, carvy road. Looks like there used to be an original road up there. Or another road. Sorry guys. Squirrel. Got distracted by a squirrel. There's another mining site. You can see a tailings pile on the side of this hill. If we can see it over the edge of the road. See that tailings pile? And that's probably a hole that goes straight down. And that blue sign hanging on the fence is probably like a no trespassing sign. But yeah, I bet there's a hole in the middle of the ground right there. And it's surrounded by fence. So that's cool. Ooh. Oh wow. What road are we gonna be on? There's a road that cuts up that mountain. And it looks like it cuts to a mine. We're gonna see if we're gonna be on that road. I don't know. I don't know where that is or how you get to it. Knowing my luck, it's private property. Oh, we're gonna be going. We'll see. Pay attention to the road. I want to get up there to that road somehow. I don't know how you get there. We are climbing now. Oh, I think I see it on the map. I think it's this one. Aurora Hills Road. There's a house. That's neutral. We're rolling down the hill. There's a really nice house up there. Let's stop and check the map. Yeah, let's take this little spur. See where this goes. We're out here exploring today, guys. Probably leads to a dead end, no trespassing sign. But if it's the road that I saw, it looked like it led to a mine. Cool water tank over there. So we're gonna try to cut up this road, because that goes, where does that go? Oh, that leads back to Buckhorn Road, the road we were on. Oh, but there's it says there's another road up this way. Cool water tank. This looks like a fun road. I don't know if that's the road. Yeah, it splits right here. That little trail goes to Buckhorn. We're gonna go this way. No shooting or hunting. Didn't say no trespassing. We're gonna see where this one goes. There's a sand wash. There's quail all over up here. I don't know where this goes. Doesn't look graded. Maybe at one point it was. Right now it's got way too deep ruts. Uh-oh. What does that sign say? Notice to public. Danger, be aware. The owners and their representatives of private property accept no liability for your trespassing on private property by entering on this property. You have put yourself in danger or risk. The cattle and other wildlife are dependent upon the water resources and vegetation in this area. Any destructive behavior will bring civil penalty to the participants. You are entering and passing through the property at your own risk. The roads in the area are private roads. The area is patrolled and subject to the Yavapai County Sheriff's jurisdiction. For questions regarding the law and the enforcement, please contact the Yavapai County Sheriff. Surveillance is conducted day and night by game cameras at various locations entering into the property. You give permission to be photographed. It doesn't say no trespassing. And it says there's a mine up here. So there's a Camp B mine. So let's go. There's a squirrel, like a literal squirrel, not just me being distracted. There was a squirrel, I kid you not, ran into that bush. Aurora Hills Road. I want to see where it says this mine is at. It says it's up. Which road? Well, we'll go to the left. I don't want to be on that road. I'll tell you that right now. This is a fun little road and trail. That doesn't look like it. Climbing. Oh yeah, mine tailings. That's a lot of tailings. Better pay attention to the road. But I wonder if we can get up there. Looks like there used to be a road up there somewhere. Quail. Oh yeah, this used to be a mine. For sure. Ooh, look at that, guys. Straight down. That's pretty cool. The Camp B mine. That's what it says on the map. Then it says all this dead ends up here soon. Some old wood in the ground. This is a platform. This is a tailings pile that we're driving on. Who knows what they had up here. Maybe I'll try to research this area.